So this is how we live our lives, our day-to-day life. We don't script our videos, and this is how we do it. You see, so what I'm doing, yes? Yeah. Good girl. These videos might be used for reference at a later time in life. So we just enjoy making videos on a camera and
Baba, Mimi.
This is me and my family. Yes. Acha kukulaia wes na nilikukanya tathie koi mikinye no ni guthambia ria ya bobo araria wa wes. So this tiny girl is brushing with her brother's toothbrush, and she won't hear nothing of me trying to stop her to do that. Yeah. So yes. Acha Wesley, sasa unafanya nini surely? Unajua brush, nilikuambia kuna vitu mtu huwa share. Nikakwambia mtu huwa share brush na mtu huwa share towel. Sasa ukishashikanisha sio ni vibaya. Umesikia? I'm trying to school him. I'm trying to tell him that there's some personal effects like toothbrush and towel. Those are personal effects. It shouldn't be shared among or between two people. Kuja. Come. Come.
I am a editor. Alafu nasomea shule Rock Preparatory School. Baba, alafu tunasomesha nguo exam.
Unakujanga namba ngapi?
1. Alafu
Nini?
Niliambia kwa shule nini
Chakula hiyo.
tulisikia ulikuanga ukirecord alafu kanirecord.
Yeah, hiyo ni ukweli. Bobo, acha tabia mbaya. Acha tabia mbaya.
Alafu nini tumeshangua shule abukudu.
Ulifanya homework?
Baba.
Okay.
Baba.
Jaisha?
Jaisha. Ni 1 2.
So I think I'll end my video here. And this is a kids channel. This is a kids movies. Yeah. Okay, let me end it at here. See you guys. God bless. Bye.
Bye bye.
Sema bye, Bobo.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Tasho.
Okay, he says tomorrow.